So I'm here at Disney World, and the Rolling Stones played in Orlando like a week ago, and there's a picture of Ronnie Wood standing right here. I'm gonna find the actual location. Let's check it out. Stone at Disney World. Let's find it. I'll line up the photo. Let's see. Ronnie Wood stood right here. Look at this. Crazy. Rolling Stone. And the faces. Remember the faces? And freaking Jeff Beck. I look back at that photo. There's two fountains. There's one on the left and one on the right. So now I gotta go recorrect what I just said. If you come straight down Main Street, go to the left. That's where the fountain is. I noticed because the castle was on the other side in my picture. So let's go fix this. False information. So this is the spot right here. Ronnie Wood stood. Alright, let's line it up. You can see the castles on the left of them in the photo. Right here, sacred ground.
You never know what you can do till you try. You know Mama always said she was here. You gotta dig a little deep to find out who you are. Don't let it look like, don't let it just like we'll be telling you we are here.
Documented that John Lennon was here in the 70s with May Pang. He actually signed, he signed the papers to dissolve the Beatles at the Polynesian. But so now you can say, well, confirm that a Beatle and a Stone have been to Disney World. It's not to say they haven't before, but there's documentation of both now. Pretty cool. Biggest bands in the world have been here at Disney World. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you. Rock and roll.